They don't stop.
You have to love me for who I am.
I do. But you make weird noises. Good morning, everybody. Happy Saturday. I'm up a little early because there is a reconciliation retreat for like the second graders at St. Monica's. I don't know what age you are when you do, or what grade you're in when you do reconciliation. I don't remember. I was a little too young to remember, but they have like a little day activity thing for the second, third, first graders, whatever grade they're in. I'm gonna find out. But they have like a day retreat type thing for them, and me and Molly lead games for them every year. So we're continuing the tradition of leading games for the kids, but just means that I have to be up early. So it's worth it, but it's still early. I have a very large candle behind me, and a very red-headed girl beside me.
Yep.
A red candle, redhead girl.
And there's a red candle over there too.
And there's a red candle over there too. Over there. I don't. It's funny because like when I like turn the camera, I don't know if I'm actually pointing it at stuff. So like sometimes I'll point it, and then I'll go to edit, and I'll be like, I'm sorry I didn't show you anything. And so I'll like put a little message below. But anyway, we have this red candle to represent this red candle, and this big one here has a remote. Does it work? Oh, it does work, and it lights up. And oh, yeah, it's a lot faster than last year's. Last year's was like very unresponsive. But they were teaching what grade are they in?
Second grade? First grade?
Exactly. I don't know either. We're teaching them about the tabernacle and how when this candle is lit, that means that Jesus is in the tabernacle. So we're doing a game where they have to play red light, green light with this candle. So when it's lit, they have to Whoops, ran out of memory. But it's a good thing that we have a giant MacBook here so that I could clean off my my SD card. But we're back. I don't know where we were, but oh yeah, light. It's when this is lit, they have to genuflect, and when it's not lit, they can. When it's not lit,
They have to stop.
No, it's still lit, Molly. It's still.
Oh.
When it's not lit, they can run.
They can run, yeah.
So when it's lit, they can't run. When it's not lit, they have to stop. So it's red light, green light, but they're going from that end of the room to this end of the room. We'll probably stop them before they get to the stage because they're usually like, everyone loves the stage and they're like, I want to run on stage, let's run on stage. And then they break stuff. So ain't gonna happen. Oh, and we have a very fun prize table for if you win our genuflecting red light, green light, you get some religious item. We are at Bass Pro Shop, the outdoor world. We're going to visit Daniel at work, and I think we're going to lunch at Zaxby's. So we're gonna come pick them up and check out the shoe department, see if we got any deals, right, Shelby? Yeah. Because you got to tell them what shoe you want.
I already got the shoes I want.
Oh, you're gonna tell them another pair of shoes you want, because that's what you like to do. Shelby loves to come here and just tell Daniel all the shoes that he has to buy for her. So, nah.
I only want one pair of shoes.
It's effective. This parking lot definitely is a car thief because there's like 5 different car alarms going off at the same time. I don't know what's going on.
Are you sure it's not the building?
Pretty sure it's not the building. Maybe there's a fire alarm going off. I always feel like I'm at Disney when I come here. I feel like it's like super themed and like it's just so much fun. Lots of stuff to see. Alright, let's find Daniel. Where's he at? Is this the clearance rack? I feel like I'm looking for him like on a safari, just like staring through.
A little small. I like these. These are cute.
He's in the back.
Shelby, can we fit these?
Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun.
What size is it?
She's already shopping. The majestic bobcat. I just asked Daniel if these are actual real animals that are taxidermy, and he said yes, they are in fact real. The only fake ones are what?
Dog.
The dog and the horses are fake. The only fake ones in here. It's a little sad. Like, do you know that as a fact that those are the only fake ones? Are these ducks real?
Yeah.
Wow. This is like all these majestic animals were once
Alive and full of energy.
thriving in the wilderness,
I
and
know,
now
right,
they're
it's
just in the outdoor
That's in the
world with
bobcat
Bass
right
Pro.
there.
Yeah, the majestic bobcat.
But you guys have to make sure what that
It's a little sad.
Hopefully we don't end up like that.
Yeah, what if?
They taxidermy people.
That's a little morbid. I'm not gonna think about that. Shelby, put them back on. Do you think I can pull these off, Mom? It's pretty stylish.
Yeah, that is pretty stylish. You look like the Terminator. How about me?
The Terminator. Are those actually sunglasses?
Like,
They're sort of like
No, these are
see-through.
goggle things.
let me see.
These are licensed.
Get them back on. I feel like I need like
Yeah, they
some
look
like
good.
some camo.
Hey,
Here
you
we
put a
go.
spot in it.
Camo.
What?
How about those? Yeah. Look at that. It's like the world is in yellow. This is
My
odd.
light's gonna be rainbow.
This is weird. Getting sunglasses back on these racks is the hardest thing. I feel like I'm gonna break them. We figured it out.
What?
It actually like it slingshots.
Yeah.
You let go of it and it slingshots out.
Flying up.
Well, oh shoot.
It floats
Oh,
too.
it's like dangerous.
Yeah, that is really dangerous.
Yeah, it floats
Are you ready?
too.
It's like the arrow.
She might. Would she chew through this?
I've been wondering that for a while.
Yeah, we could try high, durable power chewers and blowers.
It says it will last, but it's never seen
And it
Hattie.
will float in the pool if it ends up in there.
Yeah, perfect. We broke him out. He's out of work on his lunch break. Going to. Do you go to Zaxby's every day?
No.
Shelby said you
He
come
said
here a lot.
I come here sometimes.
Sometimes.
I haven't
I
been
said he
here
goes
in a while.
to Zaxby's or Subway.
Ots
Pretzels.
and Molkolozi. I was trying to read it backwards. I don't have enough time. I'm being rushed. They've got one of these fancy Coca-Cola freestyle machines. And the best part about Zaxby's, this machine. The best part about Zaxby's is by far their crushed ice. Best thing ever. Look at that. Got all varieties of chicken here.
Yep.
I got some wings. They're a little bit too soaked. Like they got a lot of sauce on them. So we'll see how these taste. Well, welcome back everybody. After our lunch excursion with Daniel, we are back home and Shelby and I are gonna wash the cars because my car, I don't know if you can really see it, but it is filthy. So we're gonna wash my car and Shelby's car and I believe Mom's car as well. So got some washing to do. And I know what you might be thinking, Kevin, it's cold outside. Why are you washing cars? Today, it's not cold outside. It's actually very nice out here. I've got some flip-flops on, got my flippy floppies, and it's nice weather out here. So we're gonna take advantage of it. We're gonna get some cleaning done. So Shelby and I pre-car wash, post-car wash are sitting here enjoying, I'm enjoying the Tim tracker and Shelby's enjoying Facebook. But I'm going to tell you right now, it's a little odd. Shelby, when she has headphones in, I was
Not
about to say
even when I
cell
have
phones.
headphones, just
What's
any-
wrong with me tonight? I can't speak.
It's not necessarily headphones. It's just whenever I'm really sitting quietly.
Whenever she's sitting quietly, I've noticed it because she's been sitting with headphones in, like watching The Bachelor and stuff. I'm not gonna comment on that. Just gonna leave it at that. She watches The Bachelor.
I skim The Bachelor.
She skims The Bachelor. She sits here with her headphones in, or apparently when she's just quiet, and she makes these weird very odd, like guttural noises. She just like will sit here and we gotta be quiet so that we can hear it. She'll sit and make a noise similar to just very quietly, just a little, and it's the weirdest thing.
Always.
She always does it. What are these weird noises?
I don't know. My headphones are stuck in my hair.
Whoa, that is weird. What is going on there?
I can't get it. Okay.
Interesting. But I can't explain it. I just made the noise before I said I can't explain it. That's what I can't explain it. Like it just. There it is. It's so creepy. It's so weird. I can't. But I'll literally be sitting here and I'll be watching it and I'll hear it I'll just hear it and I literally can just look at her and she goes, "Oh, am I making the noises again?" And I go, "Yes, yeah, they don't stop."
You have to love me for who I am.
I do. But you make weird noises. It's getting crazy in the kitchen tonight. We've got some pulled pork that's been cooking all day in the crock pot. And we are going to make an Asian slaw right now. So I've got all kinds of stuff from garlic to peanut butter to soy sauce to honey to rice vinegar to sesame oil to olive oil to red pepper to ginger. I'm actually replacing the ginger with fresh ginger, so I'm going to make a nice little Thai peanut butter sauce to go in the Asian slaw so it makes it taste good. Final result, a nice Asian slaw, and this, because I'm a messy cook. Here's the big reveal. Yum!
Pulled pork.
That looks delicious. It's more like just pork, because it's not quite pulled yet.
Yep.
We're about to pull it. Here comes the pulling. It's dinner.
You like
Gotta
some
get
beans?
down and dinner.
You're welcome.
Gotta eat our dinner and then we can sit on the couch and watch Top Chef. It is most definitely time for bed. I just got done watching the Screen Actors Guild Awards, which is like sort of Oscars. It's sort of like the pregame to the Oscars. All of the actors get together and vote on who's the best for this one, and not the Academy. So it's not the Academy Awards, but all the actors choose who's best. And like Leonardo DiCaprio won Best Actor, which I was very happy about. Spotlight won Best Picture. So like some good victors there that I definitely support. But it's getting late and I gotta be up early. So choose virtue, choose life. So long for now. Well, here it goes. Oh, there it is.